Welcome to the MIDI to Drumkit tool that I've created. First of all, you have to select the timeline. So all you need in your scene is a timeline, and then you can open the MIDI drum generator tab. You have to go and browse for your MIDI file. So I have some free samples here. We generate the pattern, and then we apply it to our timeline. Now we have all the elements we need to play the song on our drum kit generated automatically from the MIDI file. So the tool will automatically connect the instruments to the MIDI input, and we're gonna give just a quick other example with some more Latin music. So we parse it again, we make sure to clean the timeline, and we're gonna play this section as well. And that's about it. This tool is very fun to make, and thank you for watching.